Introducing the Mark-10 MTT01-12 cap torque tester, a cutting-edge solution for measuring application and removal torque of bottle caps up to 100 inch-pounds, 11.5 Newton-meters. Designed with precision and versatility in mind, this cap torque tester empowers you to streamline your quality control processes. With its best-in-class accuracy of 0.3% of full scale, the MTT01-12 delivers unrivaled accuracy, ensuring the reliability and consistency of your test results. The broad testing range of up to 12 lbFin, 192 Osbin/14 kg FCM/135 Newton centimeters /1.35 Nm accommodates a wide variety of cap torque testing applications. From small, delicate caps to larger, more robust closures, this tester has you covered. The adjustable posts, featuring a 1.25, 31 mm length, effectively grip a diverse range of container shapes and sizes, ensuring accurate and reliable torque measurements. Experience effortless operation with the MTT01-12's simple and intuitive user interface, making it accessible to both seasoned professionals and new users alike. The included MTT light data acquisition software enables tabulation of continuous or single-point data, while stored data can be downloaded in bulk and exported to Excel with just one click. Elevate your cap torque testing capabilities with the Mark-10 MTT01-12 cap torque tester. Its exceptional accuracy, versatile testing range, adjustable post design, intuitive operation, and data acquisition software make it an indispensable tool for quality control professionals across various industries. Invest in the MTT01-12 and unlock precision, versatility, and efficiency in cap torque testing like never before.